Hello, fourth graders. Today we are working on estimating quotients using multiples. Okay, so the idea here is that we're going to, rather than going directly to 16 divided by 3, we're going to try to figure out this by using multiples. So what we're going to do is do 3 times, 1 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 3 is 12, 15, 18, and so on, okay? See the pattern? So we want to see 16 it doesn't create a whole number when we divide, does it? So we have to estimate what 16 divided by 3 would be. So we're going to find what two numbers is 16 between. So 16 is, of course, between 15 and 18. Okay. Now we ask ourselves, is 16 closer to 15 or is 16 closer to 18? And of course, it's closer to 15. So that's how we estimate this, that it is between 15 and 18. Okay. And we're going to choose 15 would be the proper dividend that we would use in this. Okay, so 15 divided by 3, which is 5, right, is the closest estimate to 16 divided by 3. So let's try another one of those. Okay, so 6, let's do our multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, and 60. So is 55 is in between what numbers? Well, it's between 54 and 60. What are the multiples? So that's going to be 6 one time, 6 two times. Okay, so it's between 54 and 60, so that's what we would identify as the numbers it's between. And 55 is closer to which one? It's closer to 54. So what we would be using to estimate this would be 54 divided by 6 makes 9. Okay, so looking down here, we're selecting it's between 54 and 60, and B, it is closer to 54, and that's actually what we'd use as our dividend in this problem of estimating. Okay, let's keep going. Question 3, find two numbers, same deal, so let's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. So 24 is between what two numbers? Between 20 and 25. Of course, it's closer to 25. So what is this? This is 1 5, 2 5s, 3 5s, 4 5s, 5 5s. Okay. So essentially what we would be using to estimate this is 25 divided by 5 would be 5. Okay. So between 20 and 25, closer to 25, and that's the estimate we'd use for 24 over 5. Now 7s. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. Okay, 30 is between 28 and 35, closer to 28. So what we would use, how many 7s is that? 4 7s. So the estimate we would be using is, instead of 30, we would be 28 divided by 7 equals 4. So it's about 4 is essentially what we're saying. It's about 4. All right. Last one. We're doing 9s. Now in this case, instead of doing multiples of 9s, let's do, instead of 9 times 1, 9 times 2, let's try 9 times 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. So 9 times 10 would be 90. 9 times 20 would be 180. Oops, 80. 9 times 30 would be 270. And 9 times 40 would be 360. So is 277 closer to, well, it's certainly between 270 and 360. Okay. It's closer to the 270 than to the 360. So the fraction that we'd be using to estimate this, instead of 277 over 9, it would be very close to 270 over 9, and that would be 30. Oops, 30. Okay, so again, it's between 270 and 360, and it's closer to 270. Have to fix that in the quiz. All right, great job, everyone. Have a great day.